Hi everyone, welcome to IK Academy. This is the last session of this chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. We have miscellaneous model problems. We'll solve this by converting these sentences into linear equations, and by solving them we get the variable values. So what he is asked here, find the measure of each angle. So two angles are given. Two angles are complementary. So what is the meaning of complementary? Complementary angles means sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Supplementary, sum of two angles is 180 degrees. And conjugate angles, sum of two angles is 270 degrees. So here, two angles are complementary means the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. The larger angle is 3 less than twice the measure of smaller angle. Let us take, let smaller angle is equal to x and larger angle is equal to y. So I am taking two angles, one is smaller angle and one is larger angle. Smaller angle is x and larger angle is y. According to the problem, two angles are supplementary. Given angles are supplementary. So what it means? Angles of supplementary. Angles are supplementary means sum of two angles x plus y is equal to, this is a complementary, not supplementary. Angles are complementary means sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Let us suppose this is equation 1. In the question, two angles are complementary. So given angles are complementary. X plus y is equal to 90 degrees. Then what is the next sentence? The larger angle is given. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the measure of smaller angle. So what it means? The larger angle. What is the larger angle here? Y. The larger angle is means is equal to 3 less than twice the measure of smaller angle. Twice the measure of smaller angle. Larger angle is 3 less than twice the measure of smaller angle. So this is the operating expression, mathematical expression. Larger angle is equal to 3 less than twice the measure of smaller angle. So let us take this is equation 2. Now we can use substitution method here. Substitution method is substituting the value of y in equation 1. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1. Then what 1 becomes? X plus y. Y value 2x minus 3 is equal to 90. X plus 2x is 3x is equal to minus 3 becomes plus 3. So 3x is equal to 90 plus 3. 93. 3 3s are 3 1s are. X is equal to 31. We got one angle. X is equal to 31. We need to find out the other angle y. From second equation, y is equal to 2x minus 3. Second equation is y is equal to 2x minus 3. X value 2 into x value minus 3. 2 into the value of x is 31 minus 3. 31 2s are 62 minus 3 is 59. So therefore x is equal to 31 and y is equal to 59. Total will be 90 degrees because they are complementary. It is given in the question. Complementary angles mean sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. 50 plus 30 80. 89 plus 1 90. Total angle is 90 degrees. So this is the required answer. X is equal to 31 and y is equal to 49. Find the measure of each angle. We got the measure of two angles. X is equal to 31 and y is equal to 59. Now look at the next question. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees. But we don't know the cost of pencil and cost of pen. Let cost of pencil be x and cost of pen be y. Let us take cost of pencil is x and cost of pen is y. Now according to the problem given in question, 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. Together means addition. How many pencils? 5 pencils. So 5 pencils. Each pencil is x rupees plus 7 pens. Each pen is y rupees is equal to 50 total. Total amount is 50. So this is first equation. Now take the second one. 7 pencils given. 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. So how to write the equation for this? 7 pencils, 7x plus 5 pens, 5 each pen is y is equal to 46 rupees. This is equation 2. Now by solving these two equations we get the value of x and the value of y. That is the final solution. How to find out the value of x or y here? Here is 7y, here it is 5y, or you can cancel this one also, no problem. This is 5x and this is 7x. How to make these two equal? 5 7s are 35, 7 5s are 35. So I am multiplying first equation with 7 and second equation with 5. Look here, multiplying first equation with 7, so totally with 7. 7 5s are 35 x plus 7 7s are 49 y plus 7 50s are 57s are 350. Now the second equation into 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 46 5s are 230. 46 into 5. Subtraction. Doing subtraction here. So sign symbols changes. 35x gets cancelled. 49 minus 25 is 24y is equal to, subtracting here we get 201, 120. So y is equal to 120 divided by 24. 24 ones are 24, 5s are gets cancelled. We get y is equal to 5. So I got y is equal to 5 here. I need to find out the value of x. Let us substitute the value of y in equation 1. So what is the first equation? The first equation is 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. 5x plus 7y value is equal to 50. 5x plus 7 into y is equal to 50. 5x plus 7 5s are 35. So 5x is equal to 50 plus 35 becomes minus 35 when it goes to right hand side. 5x is equal to 50 minus 35 is 15. So 5 1s are 5 3s are gets cancelled. X is equal to 3. Now we got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. What is the meaning of x? Cost of pencil. Cost of pencil is equal to rupees 3. Cost of pen, the value of y is equal to rupees 5. Cost of pen is 5 and cost of pencil is 3. Look at the next question. Third one. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than width is 36. Is 36 is related to half the perimeter. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width. Then we don't know the width. Let width is equal to x meters and length is equal to, length is 4 more than its width. So 4 more than its width. How much is its width? This is x and 4 more than x plus 4 meters. We know the length and width. Width is also called as breadth. We know length and also breadth. Half the perimeter. Half perimeter is 36. Then full perimeter. Half perimeter is given as 36 meters. So formula is half into the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. half the perimeter 2 into L plus B is equal to 36. So width is considered as x and length suppose it is y. So y is equal to x plus 4. Now 2 into L plus B, 2 gets cancelled. How much is length? Length y is x plus 4 and the breadth is x is equal to 36. X plus x, 2x is equal to 36 plus 4 becomes minus 4. 2x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 by 2 which is equal to 16. Now we got x, the value of x is width. Width is 16 meters. We got one value. Now we need to find out the length. Length y is equal to x plus 4. 16 plus 4 which is equal to 20 meters. So width is 16 meters and length is 20 meters. Those are the dimensions. Dimensions means length and breadth of a rectangle are called as dimensions of a rectangular garden. So dimensions are length 20 and breadth or width, both are same. Width is 16 meters. Now look at the next question, fourth one. A boat goes 30 meters upstream. Let us take a boat is going from here to here. Upstream. And it is coming back again downstream. So it is going upstream. The boat goes 30 kilometers upstream. So upstream it is going 30 kilometers and returning 44 kilometers. So more than this up to here. So it is going upstream 30 kilometers and it is coming downstream 44 kilometers in 10 hours. So it is going both upstream and coming back downstream. Total time taken is 10 hours. So total time taken for upstream and downstream. Next, in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometers upstream. One more condition. This is condition 1. The next condition is total time taken here is 10 hours. For the first condition it is taking 10 hours. For the second condition it is taking 13 hours. 13 hours to go upstream 40 kilometers and downstream 55 kilometers. So upstream 30 and downstream 44, total time taken is 10 hours. So upstream, going upstream 40 kilometers and coming downstream 55 kilometers, taking the boat totally 13 hours. Determine the speed of boat and speed of stream. Let. So this is data given in the question. Let. Speed of boat. We don't know the speed of boat. Let it be x kilometer per hour. We don't know the speed of boat, so I consider it as x kilometer per hour. And speed of water, that is stream. Speed of stream is y kilometer per hour. So water flow is flowing at y kilometer per hour. Water is flowing at y kilometer per hour, and boat is going at x kilometer per hour. So during the upward journey, boat will be going x kilometers and the water is flowing downside. So it is in reverse direction. The speed of the boat will be x minus y. When it is coming downwards, speed of boat is x and the water is also flowing in the downward direction. The speed will be x plus y kilometers. Similarly here also same thing. X minus y it is going upstream and x plus y when it is coming downstream. The speed of the boat x and the stream is coming in the opposite direction. So it is minus y kilometers. When coming downward, speed of the stream is x kilometers and the speed of the stream is y kilometers and speed of boat is x kilometers. So both will be added because it is coming downstream with more speed, with both speeds. That means boat and also stream speed. Now what we have to calculate? Determine the speed of boat, and these two values we have to calculate, x and y values. So total time in first condition. What is the first condition? Total time taken to go how many? 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream is, what is the time given? 10 hours. This is the first hint we got. Total time taken to go 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream is 10 hours. So how many kilometers upstream? 30 kilometers. Speed of upstream is x minus y plus 44 kilometers. Speed of downstream is x plus y is equal to total time taken is 10 hours. This is equation 1. So total time is equal to upstream time plus downstream time. Formula for time is distance by speed. So how much distance it is going? 30 kilometer distance divided by speed is x minus y. So distance by speed is time upstream and time downstream, total time 10 hours. Similarly, the next sentence, in 13 hours, another hint is given, in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. So same 40 kilometer upstream x minus y plus 55 kilometer downstream x plus y. It is totally taking 13 hours. Now if I solve these two equations, then I get the value of x and y. X is equal to boat of the speed of the boat and y is equal to speed of the stream. Now solving these two equations, we get the value of x and y. What is the first equation? 30 by x minus y. Let us take 1 by x minus y as a and 1 by x plus y as b. Let 1 by x minus y is taken as a and 1 by x plus y is taken as b. Now substitute here. 30a plus 44b is equal to 10. This is one equation. Next one. 40a plus 55b is equal to 13. Let us suppose this is equation 3 and equation 4. Now we have to solve these two equations and find out the value of a and b. If I get a and b, I will get x and y also. So how to find out a and b here? This is 30 and this is 40. 34s are 120. 43s are 120. So third equation into 4. Fourth equation into 3. Multiplying with 4 this one. 4 3s are 12, 120. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 17b is equal to 4 10s are 40. The next equation into 3. 40 3s are 120. 55 3s are 3 5s 15. 15 plus 1 16b is equal to 13 5s are, so 13 3s are 39. 3 into 13 39. Now subtracting these two equations. Minus, minus, minus. 120a, 120a gets cancelled. 176 minus 165 is 11b is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 by 11. We got one value, b is equal to 1 by 11. Now we find out a value by substituting somewhere here. Let us substitute in the third equation. 30a plus 44, the value of b is 1 by 11 is equal to 10. 11 ones are 11 fours are gets cancelled. So 30a is equal to 10 minus 4. 30a is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 by 30, which is equal to 1 by 5. We got the values of a and b. But we need the value of x and y, not a and b. So what is a here? 1 by x minus y. But a is equal to 1 by x minus y and b is equal to 1 by x plus y. We substitute these two here. A is equal to 1 by x minus y. So 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 5 and 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. Now doing cross multiplication. X minus y is equal to 5 and cross multiplication here. X plus y is equal to 11. X minus y is equal to 5 ones are 5. X plus y is equal to 11. So writing these two equations side by side, x minus y is equal to 5 and down here x plus y is equal to 11. Now y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 11 plus 5 16. X is equal to 8. Now we got x is equal to 8. Finding y, substitute here. 8 plus y is equal to 11. Y is equal to 11 minus 8, which is equal to 3. So I got the values of x and y now. What is the value of x means? X is equal to 8, which is equal to speed of boat. So speed of boat is equal to 8 km per hour, and speed of stream y is equal to 3 km per hour. This is the final answer. Speed of boat is 8 km per hour and speed of stream is 3 km per hour.